In this video, I want to go over a simple way that you can take advantage of the traffic you get from your Knol to make some money by putting it into your blog. So you'll funnel your traffic from your Knol to your blog and vice versa. This can be very powerful because you end up with a lot of pages with a lot of information on them, and you will attract a lot of people. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is create a blog. Now you can either create it on WordPress or on Blogger. I'm going to do it on Blogger because it's the simplest one to set up without having to pay anything. WordPress also has a free service that you can use as well. But let's go to the Blogger dashboard. Then we'll just create a new blog. And then you would create a blog that was along the same lines as your Knol. In other words, on the same niche. Okay, so something like that. Check the availability. Okay, so we're all set here. You go down and you key in the code down here into the space. And then you click continue. At this point, you just choose a template. Scroll through and find one that you like. Click continue. And then just click start blogging. Now this isn't going to be a comprehensive tutorial on how to use Blogger. There's a tutorial you can find on the Blogger site that shows you how to set it up. But basically, you can start posting here and you just post an article in, and then we're going to link back to our Knol from here. Okay, so there's our post entered. Now I've already done this during the tutorial. You'll notice that I linked to my WordPress blog. I'm just going to show you how to do the same thing with a Blogger blog. Okay, so we pasted our article in here. Now all we have to do is link back to our blog. So we can do that within the article. You can just do the same thing. For more gardening facts, see my Knol. Okay, then we get the link to our Knol. So let's go back here. Go to my Knols. Then all we do is we copy the link location. This is in Firefox. And in Internet Explorer, I think it's just copy link. Go back and we just highlight our text here, and then right here, this is how we create a link. So just click on that, and then we just paste our URL in there. Click OK, and now we're linking back. Okay, so then we just click Publish Post. Now if we view our blog in a new window, okay, here's our post. Down here is our link, and if we click on that, it takes us to our Knol. So this is a simple way to take advantage of the traffic going both ways. Now you will have AdSense and product links supposedly on your Knol, and you can do the same thing on your blog just by creating a blog that has both useful information and has some product reviews on it and some recommendation for products. Now the reason this is so powerful is because you get traffic going both ways. You get traffic going to your blog, and you get traffic going to your Knol. The Knol traffic gets funneled to your blog, the blog traffic gets funneled to your Knol. And Knols are relatively new on the internet, and they're very popular. So once you get indexed and you have it on the new Knols page, you're going to get quite a bit of traffic. Also remember that content is like search engine candy. So the more pages you get on there in your Knol and in your blog, the more visitors you're going to get. Because you get more visitors, you're going to get more clicks on your AdSense ads. And since they will be targeted visitors, since you're going to get most of your traffic from the search engine, you're likely to get some affiliate sales or your own product sales if you have your own products on there as well. So what you're going to want to end up doing is creating more Knols on the same subject and point them to your blog. You can also create nulls on other subjects and create a blog for that subject as well. And before you know it, you'll have a passive income stream from AdSense and from some sales that come off of any affiliate products that you have on your blog. So that's it. That's how you can set up a simple income stream without having to pay for anything. The only thing you may have to pay for is articles if you don't write them yourself, but if you're good at that, then there's no need to spend any money outsourcing. Now that concludes the video series on Google Knol.